Hi guys, how are you all doing? It's a translating thing once again. We're here to translate a very beautiful and demeaning song from Catholic Church. So come see, here is contestant number 1. Let's go there. Do you believe
in a hota?
Oh yes, I believe in the Father and the Son.
In the Namu and Naya.
Pardon?
In the Namu and Naya.
Okay, in the Namu and Naya and the Holy Spirit. Yes, I believe.
And the Monso and Mpote.
Do you believe?
In a hota.
Oh yes, I believe.
And hota.
In the Father and the Son.
In Namu na Sonia.
Pardon?
In Namu na Sonia.
Namu na Son. Your son is English. You're supposed to translate in Igbo. In the Father and the Son.
In Namu na Wanyawoke.
Okay, Namu na Wanyawoke. Okay, and the Holy Spirit. Yes, I believe.
Nadi Monso hota.
Hi, Ihotala. Oh, thank you for coming. Thank you. Oh, can I divide?
In the band
They will know. Let us welcome contestant number 2. Expensive. Oh, Mama. Are you ready?
Yes, Mom.
Do you believe?
To give a hota.
All right. Yes, I believe
Yes, more hota.
in the Father and the Son
In the monster and the monster.
and the Holy Spirit. Yes, I
In
believe.
the monster and the una. Yes, more hota.
Okay, in the Monso and the yes, Muahota. All right. Do you believe?
To give a hota.
Yes, I believe.
Yes, more hota.
Yes, it's English. Yes, I believe.
And believe.
Oh, God, no, they believe is also English. Yes, I believe.
Yeah, and hota.
Okay, all right. In the Father and the Son.
In the monster and the monster.
Hey,
In the monster and the monster.
in the Monso and the Fonso, in the Monso and the Monso and the Holy Spirit. Yes, I believe.
In the monster and the yes, more hotter.
Hey, expensive. Can I divide?
In the find
They will. Let us welcome contestant number 3. Cut and sit properly.